5 medals of honor in Castellina Marittima, etc. Lieutenant Fox.
The commander of the Constellation, who is called Murray. Here's Gamble.
Yeah, this is Captain Gamble.
Yeah, there's 3 of them. 1, 2, 3, and immediate.
Ew, why do they spell it like this?
And then we're debating if it's a galley or gal,
Or gal V,
5.
like if it's a Roman numeral.
I think it's a
Colonel Galley. See 1817, stone erected by their died in the city. Widow of the late Lieutenant Colonel
Gooding.
I can't tell if it's a C or a G. It's not going to be a structure thing.
No, I was just saying if they all stay together. Should we salute?
Yeah.
Order! Oh!